G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 27, 2023. This is the Euro British Pound update. So what we've got here on the weekly, we've got a bullish signal, and on the daily we'll also have a bullish signal to go long only. So this is the hourly chart, but you can trade any lower time frame than the daily. First of all, let's look at the trend on the weekly. You can see here, this indicator here combines the CCI 150 moving averages in a bullish momentum along with the price chart moving averages, and the moving average values are, moving average on the price chart is 3, 5 and 60, and on the CCI 150 moving averages are 5 and 50. So when they're both in a bullish momentum like they are now, this indicator shows a bullish signal. When they're in a negative or bearish momentum, both of them, it shows a bearish signal, and when it's flat it means it's undecided. So that on the weekly, we're showing bullish signals back since the 10th of April. On the daily, the same methodology applies. You can see there that's also showing a bullish signal. So you could possibly have taken trades on the lower time frames or even on a daily from that point onwards. One thing to keep in mind though is we've got this support at 85.47 and a resistance here at that peak of that wick at 92.83. I've also drawn these descending and ascending trend lines along those tops and bottoms, and it's currently been in that wedge for a number of months now. Also drawn this Fibonacci retracement, just historically for historical purposes, between that low and that high. You can see there this price came as far as the 78%, which was 85.41. Then I've drawn another Fibonacci from that low to that high. You can see there the price has been bouncing off a couple of times around a 61% level. Now it's making again further advancements to the upside. So how does that look on the hourly? And again, that on the daily coincides with that period here on the hour chart. So potentially you could have gone long when the candle broke above the fractal there. And again, it's just one trading idea, and taken a monetary or percentage gain. I like taking small percentage gains and getting out of the trade. You could have taken another trade there when it broke above the fractal, another trade there, and that's the latest one. So again, because we're almost breaking above the fractal, probably an hour away, so I'll keep an eye on that. But again, only take long trades when both the daily and the weekly are in alignment, and take short trades only when the daily and the weekly are in alignment. You'll notice here on the daily there was shorting opportunities. You could possibly have taken those short trades there, but again, notice there was no short positioning on the weekly. Now, let's just see if that played out. So that would have been on the, let's just draw this, make it a bit easier to follow. So if we draw a line there and exit at that point there, let's see what that looks like on the hour chart. So again, in that little range there, in this range here, you would have taken short positions. That would have been a potential short position there, or there, or there. Take a little percentage gain, another short there. That would have been a nice little trade there. Another trade there. You possibly, depending on the size of your exit strategy, you may have taken another exit there. Short there, nice long trade. Short there, nice little trade. Short, short, and short, and that's where the daily shorting position would have finished. So again, you can trade this only on the direction of the daily on the smaller time frames, but it gives you a bit more confidence if you've got the weekly in alignment as well. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and support us more on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.